Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Clever Money Hacks. Before we dive in, I want to take a moment and congratulate you. Because right now, most people are busy building their boss's dream, or they're scrolling, distracted by noise, and letting the world happen to them. But not you. You chose to be here. You chose to invest the next 10 to 15 minutes in yourself, in your skills, and in your future career. That choice alone separates you from the crowd. It is the first and most important step on the path to financial power. Now let's get to work. Most people believe the only way to earn an income is to trade their time for a paycheck. But what if you could create something once and have that single piece of work pay you over and over again for years to come? This is the core secret of making money work for you, instead of you always working for it. Today, we are unlocking one of the most powerful and accessible ways to do it. That method is called affiliate marketing. It is the ultimate beginner's business model. In this video, we're going to break down the complete, step-by-step blueprint for building your own affiliate marketing empire from scratch. But first, our crucial reminder. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered business or financial advice. Building an affiliate marketing business requires significant effort, dedication, and patience, and there is no guarantee of income. This video is not sponsored. Let's begin with the most important part, the mindset shift. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you must erase the idea of being a salesperson. A salesperson tries to push a product onto someone. That is not what we do here. Your new identity is that of a trusted problem solver. You are not selling, you are serving. Your entire focus must be on finding the absolute best solutions for your audience's problems and recommending them with genuine authenticity. The moment you recommend a product you don't actually believe in just to make a commission, you have broken this sacred trust. Your audience will sense it, and they will leave. But when you genuinely help someone make a great decision, when you save them the time and effort of research by providing an honest, valuable review, you are not just making a commission. You are building a relationship. You are building a reputation. And in the digital world, your reputation is your single most valuable asset. This is a business model built on trust and value, not on high-pressure sales tactics. Now that our mindset is right, let's get into the mechanics. How does this actually work on a technical level? It's all based on your unique affiliate link. When you join a company's affiliate program, they generate a special URL that is exclusive to you. This link contains a piece of code that places a small file, called a cookie, on the computer of the person who clicks it. This cookie tells the company's website, "This visitor was sent here by Moji." The cookie has a duration, which can be anywhere from 24 hours to 90 days or more. If the person makes a purchase within that time frame, the tracking system knows to credit you with the sale, and the commission is deposited into your affiliate account. This is the invisible engine that makes the entire system work, allowing your recommendations to generate income for you long after you've created the content. Let's dive into the action plan. There are 4 major steps to building a successful affiliate marketing business. Step 1. Choose your niche. This is the most important decision you will make. A niche is simply the specific topic or audience you are going to focus on. You cannot be everything to everyone. You must become the go-to, trusted expert in one specific area. The perfect niche is a combination of 3 things: your passion, your knowledge, and market profitability. You need a topic you genuinely love talking about, because you'll be creating a lot of content about it. You need a topic you know something about, or are willing to learn about. And you need a topic where people are actually spending money and there are products to recommend. Great niches for beginners often include home fitness equipment, kitchen gadgets, software for small businesses, pet care products, sustainable and eco-friendly products, or specific hobbies like hiking, photography, or PC gaming. The key is to be specific. Don't just start a tech channel. Start a channel focused on budget-friendly home office tech. Don't just start a fitness blog. Start a blog focused on keto diet for beginners. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to become the trusted authority. Step 2. Build your platform. This is the home for your content. This is where you will build your audience and share your recommendations. You need a content machine that will attract people from search engines and social media. There are 2 primary platforms that are perfect for affiliate marketing. Platform A is a niche blog or website. This is the classic approach. You create a website focused on your niche and write high-quality, helpful articles. You use search engine optimization, or SEO, to get your articles to rank on Google. People search for a problem, find your helpful article, read your recommendation, click your affiliate link, and you earn a commission. This requires strong writing skills and an understanding of SEO, but it creates a long-term asset that can generate traffic for years. Platform B is a faceless YouTube channel. This is an incredibly powerful option that we've talked about before. You create valuable videos about your niche without ever showing your face. A channel reviewing the best air fryers of the year or top 5 software tools for photographers is a perfect affiliate marketing model. You create a helpful video, and you place your affiliate links in the video description. This is often faster for building an initial audience than a blog. The choice is yours, but you must choose one platform to master first. You are building your digital real estate. We've just covered the foundation of your affiliate marketing business. If you're starting to see the power of this model, hit that like button right now. And let's get interactive. Comment below, what is one niche you are passionate about that you could potentially build a business around? Step 3. Find and join affiliate programs. Once you have your niche and your platform, it's time to find products to promote. There are 3 main places to look. First, there's Amazon Associates. This is the affiliate program for Amazon, and it's the most popular place for beginners to start. Its biggest advantage is that you can promote almost any physical product on Earth. The downside is that the commission rates are relatively low, typically in the 1 to 10% range. However, you earn a commission on anything the person buys on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking your link, not just the product you recommended, which is a powerful feature. Second, there are individual company affiliate programs. Many software companies, SaaS, online course creators, and digital product businesses have their own in-house affiliate programs. These are often fantastic because they typically offer much higher commission rates, sometimes 30%, 40%, or even 50%, and often for recurring subscriptions. If you use a specific software for your work, for example, check their website for an affiliates or partners link. Third, there are affiliate networks. These are marketplaces that connect creators like you with thousands of different companies. Popular networks include ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, and ClickBank. You can browse these networks to find products and services that are a perfect fit for your niche. When you apply, be professional. Make sure your website or YouTube channel has some quality content on it first. Companies want to partner with people who are serious about providing value. Step 4. Create high-value content. This is the ongoing work. This is how you build trust and generate traffic to your affiliate links. You must relentlessly focus on creating content that helps your audience. There are a few types of content that work exceptionally well for affiliate marketing. First, best of listicles or video roundups. For example, the 5 best laptops for college students in 2025 or the 7 best coffee makers under $100. These are incredibly popular because they save the audience a huge amount of research time. You do the work for them, and they will thank you by using your links. Second, in-depth single product reviews. This is where you go deep on one specific product. You provide an honest, balanced review, covering the pros, the cons, and who it's perfect for. This builds immense trust. Third, how-to tutorials. Create a tutorial that shows how to use a product to achieve a specific result. For example, a video showing how to set up a professional podcast studio at home, where you link to all the microphones, mixers, and cameras you recommend. Fourth, comparison content. For example, product A versus product B. Which one should you buy? This is highly valuable for viewers who are at the final stage of their buying decision. The key to all of this is authenticity. Be honest. Talk about the downsides of a product. Tell your audience who a product is not for. The more honest you are, the more your audience will trust you, and the more successful your affiliate business will be. Building a business like this requires a specific set of skills. While affiliate marketing itself is a skill, it's built on a foundation of other high-value abilities like content creation, SEO, and video editing. We did a deep dive on the most profitable skills to learn in our last video. 5 skills you must learn for a high-paying career in finance, which can give you the powerful professional foundation. I'll link that for you. If this video has given you a clear, actionable blueprint to start your own affiliate marketing business, show your support by hitting that like button. It helps spread this valuable information. If you are ready to stop trading your time for money and start building systems for freedom, then make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell for more powerful blueprints. And finally, let's get started. Comment below, what is the very first niche you are going to start researching after watching this video? Thanks so much for joining us today on Clever Money Hacks. Our mission is to provide you with high-quality and valuable information to help you take control of your financial future, one smart decision at a time. Make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications on, because we're always working on new content to bring you more clever money hacks and actionable financial tips and tricks right here on Clever Money Hacks. Until then, build your assets and keep making those clever money moves. Bye for now.